Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The red rice cake is a Hakka specialty that commemorates the birth of a baby boy. As a farming society in the olden days, males are important as they make up the bulk of the labor force. So during the Lantern Festival, families with newborn boys not only visit the temple to give thanks to the gods, but also prepare a red rice cake to share this joyous occasion with family and friends. Plus, a competition for the best sticky rice cake is held in Taichung every year.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Again, Happy New Year to everyone who's tuned in because this month is all about Chinese New Year. 然後今天呢，還是一樣要請教 Leo 有沒有什麼比較特別的活動哦？客家人呢，在這個過年期間呢，會來慶祝或來舉辦。
台中東市那邊每到了這個過年的這段期間呢，會有一個叫做新年辦節。
新年辦節 In Taichung County, there's a special event they hold. It's called 新年辦節。
這個就是只要是在這一年當中家裡有生男生啊，你就可以做那個新年辦，然後拿去感謝神明。
新年辦是辦啦。
對。
Okay, so this is the Sticky Rice Cake Festival, and it's only held if a family gives birth to a baby boy. 是這樣子嗎？有男丁才會慶祝哦。
那是以前啦，我跟你講，現在是男女平等，所以女生也可以。
Okay, in the old days, of course, traditional Hakka, they would actually only hold this event during times when family give birth to a baby boy. But in today's world, it's all about equality. If it's a baby girl, same thing. You would hold this event.
对啊，你有没有看過？就是我們那個新年辦他們做好之後呢，他會把它疊成像這個盤子的形狀，然後疊很高。
好像有看過啦。
然後拿去廟裡頭去感謝神明。
Okay.
拜完神明之後呢，就會把那些板拿去分送給你的親朋好友，讓大家沾點喜氣。
They would actually make these sticky rice cakes and take it to the temples, and of course thank the gods for giving them a child. And they would also put these sticky rice cakes into a tower shape and, do the praying. And then afterwards, distribute this amongst friends and family members to share the blessing. All right, let's review these terms. It's the sticky rice cake, 也就是新年辦，对不对？
新年辦。
新年辦 and the festival will be 新年辦節。
新年辦節。
新年辦節 And there you go. Another Let's Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺自 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.